After getting the turret back on my mill, I need to tram the head because I altered the tilt on the head. I don't know that I altered the nod, but this method is quite accurate, and I've adjusted both the nod and the tilt of the head. You see this little dial indicator set up on a shaft in the chuck. Currently getting a 0 there, bringing it around to about 90 degrees, close to a 0 there again. Dial indicator wants to disappear around the dark side of the moon here, but again close to 0, maybe 1 division. Here we go again towards the backside, and I'll bring the dial indicator around so we can see it. My lead in and lead off on this cut left this moon shaped piece here. I was wondering, you can feel a little bit of a dip there, but how big is it? You can sort of see the needle moving about a division over that. I've been thinking of a way of trying to get rid of that. Yeah, that's the worst side of that little moon shape there, is you can see the line across here. So I'm going to change my recipe for, I'm going to have another cut on this surface and change my recipe a little bit. So as that's coming back to where we started, I figure about 2 divisions. The divisions are 1/100th of a millimetre. If that focuses in at all. And yeah, we means we're within a thou, I believe.